Are we ready?
Yes, we're ready.
Alright. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It has been too long. Welcome back to F.D.V Studios. Yes, my darlings, I have moved and I have a studio. It's not done completely yet, but I said, you know what, I cannot wait another second to be with you guys. I have missed filming so very much. I have missed you guys, but here we are. So without any further ado, let me introduce myself. My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, I am a wife, I am a mother, I am a fashionista, motivational speaker, model, actress. But above all else, I am what? I am a makeup addict, and that is why you are what? That is why you are here. Ula, say hello.
Hello.
So, today's episode is very exciting. Why? Because we are going to review and we are going to demo JACLYN Cosmetics, as in Jacqueline Hill. Yes, darlings, this is a PR package. Thank you so very much, JACLYN. And we are going to just open this real quick so that I can show you guys the glitter and the glitz. I'm going to stop for a hot second, put this down, and give you a little bit of a backstory. So I was in California for what, about 3 months, had a fabulous time. It was so great to get back home, and I did a collab video with Rich Lux. Rich Lux is a very, very good friend of mine. We started kind of the same time, and I think he had 150 followers and I had 100 followers at that time. Anyway, we got together because he had a collab with JACLYN Cosmetics, which was setting sprays, and I had the collab with Juvia's Place. We got to talking like we do, you know, us girls, and Jacqueline Hill came up and he asked me a particular question. The question was, did I think after the mayhem of her lipsticks, could she come back? I'm going to link that video down below. And I said, of course she can come back. She will come back bigger and better than ever. Unbeknownst to either of us at that time, that she was very much in the process of launching highlighters. So I say to you, as somebody who has seen a couple of moons, never despair. Always keep going. You only learn through your mistakes. You have to make mistakes to know that, you know what, I go in this direction, I go in that direction. Needless to say, beautiful Jacqueline got in touch with me and we have become friends, and we DM each other back and forth. She invited me to her beautiful, wonderful Halloween party, but unfortunately that night I was leaving for London. So here we are, sending me a beautiful PR package all the way to London. She also sent a PR package to Rich Lux, and I thought, you know what a class act you are, because it is what it is. So without any further ado, let us finish with the story time and let's get into these highlighters. So let us open this beautiful box, and in here she has a beautiful story time right here for her viewers, and she expresses how excited she is about the highlighters. And then we have a padded foam. Bada boos. We're gonna take that out if I can do that right. And bada bing, there you go. Whoosh! Can you see? I'm right there. We're going to go into everything one by one. Let me put this down because it's so beautifully heavy. Okay, and then she has a little card right here, and she says, life has its challenges, but those are the times you learn the most. And even in my darkest moments, I've learned to find the light. Here's to brighter days ahead. XOXO JACLYN. Mwah. I love that. So fabulous. Kind of what I just talked about. So she has 3 different type of highlighters. They were all created in Italy. Good job, JACLYN. I can see we're stepping it up here. And then she also had 3 brushes. Each brush was to go with each particular highlighter. I did a quick Insta story on my IG when I got it, but this is the first time, actually this is the first product that I am reviewing in F.D.V Studios. Super, super exciting. So we're going to go through everything real quick and then we're going to try it out. So right here we have, and let me just double check here, we have what you call the Mood Luminous Highlighter, and this is a loose setting powder. It's got highlight in it, but you can also set with this, and it is for that beautiful inner glow-esque. It's not heavy at all. It's very, very, very gentle, and it comes in 5 shades. What I like about what JACLYN did was that she really took into consideration everybody's skin tone, from the very, very fair to the very, very rich, such as my very good self. Before I continue, I should mention that you can find all of her products on JACLYNcosmetics.com, and they have just launched on Morphe brushes, Morphe stores in the USA, not here in England yet. So we have the loose powders, and the darker shade right here is Feeling It. So let us just try. I'm going to open this right here. Let's touch this. It's got the perforated top, and then I'm just going to swatch it right there. So that is Feeling It, and that is the darkest shade. And then let me just brush it across, and I see what they're saying. Oh, it does feel fab. It feels very soft. It feels very powdery. Yeah, and then we are going to use the brush for it as well. So the brush for the Luminous Powders is J01. So I'm going to take a little bit more powder right here. Ooh. And then you just brush it across. There you go. So it's got that dusky-esque feeling. Yeah. And then let me try it on my face. Yeah. Because I mean, hello. So let us put some here. Like a kind of inner glow. And let me put a little bit on my forehead right there, so that when you turn you can see the angle. Yes, it's very soft. And you know what I like about it? I'll tell you this right now. It's not ashy on me. Ula? It doesn't look ashy, because some highlighter can look ashy because I'm dark, you know. No milk here. I'll put a little bit on my chin. Let me just put a touch on my cheek. I want to save it for the other highlighters, but let's see. Let's see what we have here. Very light. This looks nice, Ula? It's glowy. I do like it all on this side. You know what? Strong. No, it's not too strong. It's not too strong. You know? Wait, Fumi, don't be an addict already. Calm down.
There's more.
Yes, there's more. Oh, this is nice. Wow. Okay, so this, my darlings, it retails for $32. Not bad. It's a hefty weight. It's a good size, and I love the packaging. Very simple, something that you can have on your vanity, and it's very glam, it's very glitz, it's very JACLYN. Okay, so we are done with that. Let us go. She had 2 palettes, and these are the accent palettes. Beautiful. And this, my darlings, is the Flare palette. There you go. That's the back of it. And then this, my darlings, is the Flash palette. It's very, very luxe. I have to admit right here and now, I have already used this one, turned on, and that's what I have on my lid, because I love to use makeup in so many different ways, and you can use this. I'm going to use this right here. I love it. I'm just using my finger right here, and I just have it right there. Just look at this, living and loving. Let me just put a little bit on the other side. And it was just, it's everything. It really is everything. It's so deep, it's so luxe. I live for it. I totally live for it. Let me use the Flare, because that's my skin tone, and let me go in with exposure. You have glow up, media look, you have exposure, and you have turned on. I have turned on my lids. Let me try exposure, okay? And this is it right here. Okay, so we're just going to go in right there and just try it out. Yes, yes. Yes, it gives me honey. It gives me honey. Is it?
Golden.
Yeah, it's kind of golden. Because I'm so dark, it comes off like that, but it's actually like a deep bronze. Let me just put a little bit on the tip of my nose. Yeah. Yes. You know, the thing about highlighters, very tricky. I've got cheekbones. I'm telling you, that's what's keeping this face up. So I kind of know where to go, you know, but it makes you glowy. It really does make you glowy. And then you can put on the sides of your temples like so, right there. You can put a little bit right here too, and you can just kind of blend it. Yes, 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 and yes. And you know what I'm going to do, guys? I want to put a little bit into my tear ducts and go under my brow and just see how that just kind of pops off. So everything is a mess here, but we're doing well. Okay, hold on. Let me just bring this big bag of brushes. My palette, do we love? I'm going to take the Flash palette because there's a color right here called Mesmerized, and it's this shade right here, and it's so bridal to me. I just love Mesmerized. We're just going to put it in the tear ducts right here. Ooh, beautiful. Beautiful. It just wakes up your eye, gives a little bit of gorgeousness, you know. There you go. See? Just a little touch. It's beautiful. It is so, so pretty. All right. And then I'm going to go in with Flare. I'm going to go in with Flare, and I'm going to use Media Look. And I'm going to put this just on the high tips of... Woo! It's my new favorite. It's my new favorite. That was blindingly beautiful. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, that's gorgeous. Yes, indeed. Yes. Beautiful. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Now we're going to go to the Beaming Light Loose Powders, and these retail for $24, and we go with the last brush, and this brush also retails for $20, and you go for that aggressive, you go for that high beam. That's why it's called high beam, you know, because it's blinding. So we're going to try this out and see how it goes. And on her website, again, with these shades, with the beamers, she's got 5 different ones, but I want to try the dark ones for you girls. 5 beamers, high beam loose powders. So we're going to go in and try Megawatt with the last brush for the highlighter, which is 103, if I can find it. I had it here. So there we have it, my darlings. Yes, I'm going to press it just a little bit. And then we're going to go in. Oh, she wasn't joking. Oh, I love it. Oh, I'm addicted. Oh, that's it. That's it. You know what, guys? It really depends on you. It depends on you. I like this. I like this a lot. This is no joke. Let me just dab it with my finger a little bit. It blends into your skin. First and foremost, beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. Wowee. I like it a lot. And these are her brushes that I was talking about. So this is for the mood highlighting loose powder, the Luminous loose powder. This retails for $24. And then the other 2 brushes, this one for the accent and then this one for the beam, these ones retail for $20 each. So let us pull out and let me tell you what I think. Yeah, if you have textured skin, this is for you. You are going to love this. It is a powder with a little bit of glow to give you that inner glow. I think this is gorgeous. I think this is what you can use during the day and it will not be overpowering. I think that of all of the 3 highlighters, this is the most decadent and most luxurious packaging. I don't think that you would disagree with me. I think this is the most beautiful packaging with that full-on beam mirror like so. Okay, guys, can you see my monitor? I think that this is gorgeous. It's the most beautiful packaging. I am so tickled pink that she did one for darker complexions because it gave me what I wanted. And again, as you can see, I put it on my eyelids as well. I put it on my cheeks. I put it on my head, my chin. It's gorgeous. You can take this out going out for dinner. You pop this out on a dinner table. It's gonna be okay. It's that gorgeous, I tell you. Alrighty, now we come to the beam highlighters, and these retail for $24. They're the best in the entire bunch. For me, boom, drop it like it's hot. This is the best. You might find something like this elsewhere. I find it a little bit challenging that you'll find something as beautiful as the beam. I love the beam. I love it. It's the cheapest, and to me it's the best because this is fire. This is what I want. This is what I want to look like when I'm walking down the red carpet. This is what I want to look like when I'm doing photo shoots and stuff like that. I will put it down my decollage. I'll put it on my shoulders. I'll put it in the front of my legs. A little bit goes a long way. This is gorgeous. Ula!
It's left of you.
It is absolutely FDV approved. It is absolutely FDV approved. Beautiful, beautiful, JACLYN. Thank you very much for sending this to me. Thank you very much for thinking of women of color. Guys, go out and get yours. It's already sold out. Some of the stuff is already sold out, and I see why. All right, my darlings, it is so great to be back, and I will see you as soon as I can. All of my love. Mwah. Bye.
Stepping into the club now, I know you notice me. Wanna be your medal, first prize, although you she. Let's turn the lights up, turn it out, turn it out. You and me like a face up, building up, building up.